I'm Pai from Tabanka. I'm the lead vocal, and we started just like a joke in the beginning, and now it's a big family band, and we tour all over the world with Funaná music. In Cape Verde, the west of Africa, we got lots of music, and Tabanka and Funaná is one of them. The Funaná, you got two instruments, is very important for the music of Funaná. You got the gaita, the accordion, and the ferro is just with a knife, and you're gonna rasp it, and it's very important to play with each other, and that makes. And now in this time, we put some drums, we put some guitar, we put some cowbell, we put some congas, and the bass, and we make some party right now, with this formation. The time it was impossible to play the music because you can't be happy. It was a slavery time. It was impossible to make with songs, with music, to play with each other. It was impossible. If you want the communication with another people, what any else, you make some gaita sounds and you sing. We sing just like with the hands, but they make the sounds of the hands, but it means something what we saying to each other, and that's nice. It was impossible to play that music in that time, and now we are free. We can play everywhere where we want. Very happy about this tour, and in the future I want to go with this. I don't want to stop with this.